Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are unboxing something powerful. This is the Deye SE-G5.1 kilowatt hour lithium battery. Let's check what is inside this box. All right, we have the user manual. This is the user manual. We have these are the cables, the batteries cables, positive and negative. And we also, let's see what is inside. All right, this is a communication cable between the battery and the inverter. We have the battery's cable, battery positive and battery negative. Yeah, they are lengthy. Let's check the length of this cable. Wow, this is 1.5 meters. 1.5 meters. That's the cable length. It is okay. 1.5 meters. Then this is the communication cable between the battery and the inverter. Yeah, it's also lengthy, like the battery cable. It's okay. Then we have another one here. These are the, we have this is the earth cable. Then we have the parallel cables and the these are the parallel kits. If you want to connect, the batteries in parallel, you can connect them, you can stack them in parallel to increase the capacity. Then we have these are the mounting brackets. We will look at the manual and see how these batteries can be installed. Yeah, you can install them, can install the battery on the wall. We have another package here. Let's see what is inside. Yeah, this ones, you can mount the batteries like this on the table. This is also the mounting brackets. Yeah, this is good. All right, nothing again. Let's take a deeper look at the battery. It's quite heavy. Wow. All right, so this is the battery. Very nice, looking beautiful. Yeah, sleek. Shout out to Deye for sending this battery. It is well packed. There's no damage. The battery is okay. Yeah, we have the negative terminal to your inverter. We have the positive terminal to the inverter. And we also have a breaker. It is rated 125 amps. Then we have our communication ports in, out, and to the PCS. Then these are the LED displays to show the battery, capacity when you are charging and also when you are discharging. We are going to look at the specifications of this battery from Deye, from the manufacturer. Now, the battery chemistry is a PO4 battery. That is a lithium iron phosphate battery. That's the chemistry of this battery. Then the battery capacity is 100 amp hours. That is the nominal battery capacity in amp hours. It is 100 amp hours. Then scalability. You can connect 64 pieces of these batteries in parallel. 64 pieces. And when you connect 64 pieces, you'll be having 327 kilowatt hour. Wow, this is massive. 327 kilowatt hours if you connect in parallel. This is massive energy, storage battery bank. So you can increase the capacity of the battery. Remember, if you want to increase the capacity of any battery, you connect them in parallel and their capacity in amp hours will increase. Then the nominal voltage of this battery is 51.2 volts, and we're going to test it. 51.2 volt. It means you can use a 48 volt inverter on this battery. So we have a meter. We are going to switch it on. We have the on and off switch here. Then we have the breaker. The LED lights are blinking. Yeah. So we are going to test the voltage. 52.7 volts. Then the operating voltage. We have the minimum voltage and the maximum voltage. The minimum voltage is 44.8 volts. Then the maximum is 57.6 volts. In other words, if you're setting your charging parameters from the inverter or from your charge controller, the charging voltage is 57. The highest or the maximum is 57.6. Then the energy that is stored in this battery is 5.12 kilowatt hours. For you to know the energy that is stored in this battery, you just multiply the nominal voltage by the nominal capacity, which is 51.2 multiplied by 100 amp hours. It will give you 5.12 kilowatt hours. Then the cell configuration is 1P and 16X. 16S. The charge and the discharge current maximum is 50 amps. That is 0.5 C is 50 amps. That's the maximum charge and discharge current. Now, if you discharge at 100 amps, it will be for 10 seconds. The battery will last for 10 seconds. Then we have other parameter. The recommended depth of discharge, DOD, for this battery by the manufacturer is 80% DOD. 80% DOD. If we're using 80% DOD, it means the usable capacity will be 4,096 watt hours. Then the dimension, the width, height, and depth in millimeters: 440 by 133 by 440. We have the master LED indicator. These are the indicators. We have them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each of them is 20%. This is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Each of this LED indicator is 20%. So this is 20, 40, 60. So the state of charge of this battery right now is 60%. That's the SOC, is 60%. The life cycles is 6,000 cycles. 6,000 cycles. That is the life cycle. Then installation. You can install this battery on the wall. It is wall mounted. You can install it on the floor, and you can install it on a rack. So that is why we have the different mounting brackets, whether on the wall, on the floor, or using a rack. You have all the brackets, and it is easy. It will be easy for you to do, the mounting. So in my next video, I'm going to do a capacity test, a performance test on the battery. But now the battery is looking very good. It's looking okay. In the next video, when I do the capacity test, I will let you know the performance of the battery. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.